how to connect TradingView to Webull. Just go search for TradingView and go to the website. Now once we are taken to the TradingView website, it will log into your account if you're not already logged in. And here from the top, we will click on brokers and then compare brokers. From here, you can choose any broker and just click on learn more. And here, it doesn't matter which broker you chose, but we'll click on trade. Now it's going to take us to this section, and I'll just close out of this. You will see the trading panel at the bottom, and if we click on it, you can see a list of these brokers, and we'll have to select all brokers. Now once we select all brokers, you will be able to find Webull, and here if I click on it and click on connect, it's going to refer me to the Webull website. And if you have an account, you can open an account here depending on the type of account you want to open, and that is going to connect it. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.